Good morning to all. Myself, Dr. Umamegisru from Commerce Department. Now, I'm going to discussing about the concept utility. It is a vital concept in economics. Meaning of utility: the one satisfying power of a commodity is termed as utility. Economics basically deals with the problem of scarcity. Thus, the resources are to be allocated efficiently. So, utility means how an individual and economics aim to gain optimum satisfaction in dealing with the scarcity. For example, when a person is hungry, the only thing he think about is food. Thus, the food has that the satisfying power and satisfying that one get from eating the food is termed as utility. Generally, utility refers to the satisfaction. It can be vary from person to person. Now we see the types of utility. The types of utility can be categorized two heads. One is total utility, another one is marginal utility. The total utility means the aggregate sums of satisfaction and benefits that an individual gain from consuming a given of amount of goods and services. Marginal utility can be called as it is the additional satisfaction or amount of utility gained from the consumption of extra units of the commodity. Now we see the law of diminishing marginal utility. The law of diminishing marginal utility is introduced by Mr. H. Hausen. So it's called as Hausen first law. This law states that as a consumer consumes more and more units of specific commodity, the satisfaction derived from each successive unit goes on decreasing. Generally, law of diminishing denotes by the decreasing level of utility. This law consists the following assumption. One is the utility is measurable in cardinal form. Another, a rational consumer aims at a maximization of his utility. Everyone consists or everyone get maximum level of utility on her consumption. The next it says that standard units of measurement is constant and the commodity is consumed continuously. This theory is only applicable for consumption is continuous process. Now we see the next assumption, that is proper units of goods are consumed by the consumer. Units are homogeneous in nature. The taste of the consumer remains same. Income of the consumer remain constant. Commodity is divisible. Fashions remain same. It can be explained the following diagram or charts. This theory having some exemption, that is liquor consumption and rare collection and money. For example, the more person drink liquor, the more he has the urge to drink. At the same time, a person who is in habit to collecting a rare things goes on a collecting from even if already having a plenty of them and also having purchase. For example, can be diamond or gold jewelry. At the same time, money. The more person has to, more he wants. This theory is recapitulated by Dr. Albert Marshall. He says the additional benefits which a person derived from an increasing of his stock of things, diminishing with every increasing in the stock that already he has sourced. He is called as Hoshen, further restated the theory of Albert Marshall. Thank you, one and all.